Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys another great product by a company called Sofabaton. And I've reviewed their products in the past. I use one of their Amazon Fire Stick Sofabatons, and I'm going to share with you guys today the Roku version of that. And what it is basically, in a nutshell, a Roku TV stick remote combined with a universal remote with 13 pre-programmable keys. So if you have a TV that's not a Roku TV like I have a 48-inch TV downstairs that I use as like my secondary TV, that remote has Roku built in. So everything on that remote controls everything about the TV. So there's really no need for this. But if you have an aftermarket add-on Roku stick, let's say on a Toshiba or Sony TV, this will allow you to program the volume buttons for the TV, maybe your entertainment system or sound bar, your menu button, so you can have one remote to control everything. Maybe Roku stick is your primary source for watching TV and streaming. Instead of having two remotes, you have one universal remote. So pretty cool, very simple. Looks just like the actual Roku the Roku stick remote with the addition of those 13 programmable buttons. Very easy to program it. You basically just press and hold the red power button, and you have two power buttons, so you have one for your TV and one for maybe your sound bar, depending on what you want to use it for. And you press and hold the red power button and the mute button. Now don't press one and the other. What you're doing is you're going to hold for 3 seconds, and then the light is going to flash, then it's in program mode. Okay, what I was doing was pressing one and then the other, and the light won't flash. You press them simultaneously, wait 3 seconds, the light will come on, then you press whatever button you want to program. You press the button, the light will start to flash. You point the one it's going to learn from to it. You press the button, and on your, I guess it would be your primary remote. So if you have your Sony TV remote here, you press it at it, press the button, and this will flash and then go green, and then you know it's ready to move on to the next button. Once you're done, just let it time out, and you're good to go. So great device. I love the one for the Fire Stick TV. Or the Fire Stick is basically what I use on pretty much all my TVs, with the exception of my big 70. I use the NVIDIA Shield on that. That's like the best set-top stream box, but you get a great bang for the buck with the Amazon Fire Stick. So this is a great product whether you get it for the Roku or you get it for the Fire Stick. Now, one thing to be noted here, this will not work with Roku TV. I did try it. It will not learn the codes. I shouldn't say, actually, it will learn the codes, but none of these down here, the whole point of having the Roku remote built in, will not function and work. So it only works on, this is coming right off their link, right off the Amazon website, which I will link in the description if you want to pick one of these up. They're $29.99 with free one-day delivery if you're a Prime member. It's compatible with Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4, Roku Premier, Roku Express, Roku Ultra. Then it says not compatible with Roku sticks and Roku TV. So I'm not sure what it means because the other ones are Roku sticks. So a little confusing. I think that might be a typo, but rest assured, if you have a Roku TV, this is not compatible with that. So, and again, nor would you need it. 12-month exchange or refund on the warranty. And what else about it? That's really about it. That's it in a nutshell. Not really too much else to say about it. You pretty much have all the features you'd have in your standard Roku remote with the addition of these 13 programmable buttons. So pretty cool, pretty nice design. Again, if you're used to using a Roku remote, it's nice because this is going to be exactly like what you're used to. Volume buttons are on the side, and just the addition of the other buttons. So I want to go ahead and thank Sofabaton for the generosity in sending these to me. I am going to be doing a auction on these, or not an auction, a giveaway, I should say. For any of you who have a Roku stick and you want one of these and you found my channel, I want you to do a couple things. One, you're going to have to subscribe. Two, you're going to have to give this video a thumbs up and a like. And of course, you'll have to drop a comment stating why you think I should give you one of these Roku Sofabaton remotes. So that's about it, guys. Probably one of my shortest videos I've ever done. Really not too much else to say about it. It's very, very simple, very easy to use, very easy to program. The manual's very straightforward, and that's really about it. In case you want to see, there's the box. So pretty straightforward. Again, if you don't have a Roku stick and you found this video, I'll put a link also for the Amazon Fire Stick Sofabaton. A lot of people have those as well. That's a great add-on. And again, I believe they're only $29 as well. So links for both are in the description. And remember, guys, like, subscribe, drop a comment. Let me know why you think I should give this to you. And guys, have a wonderful day. For those of you who have subscribed, there's 12,300 of you. Thank you for your constant support. Thank you for being part of my channel. And it is appreciated. So, all right, guys, have a wonderful day and take care.